everyone, this is May De Los Santos Cocoquera. So this channel is about travel, food, and go out with kids and enjoy where we go. So welcome to my channel and I hope you like it, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys. This is a calamungay tree. Then this is the first time that she saw what's going on after he paid for clear up. Careful there.
Wow, this is different. Hi. Whoa, what a difference. Hi. This could be a
Fudge.
No. We need CR, we need kitchen. But we got all this room out here.
Yeah. Other room.
There's all this room out here to build on. But later, first off, we need to have this done.
Roping for next month.
Kitchen.
Sakto naman to entertainment table katungkuan dere. Katungkuan ba?
There's no room.
Entertainment table to sa kuan.
There's no room in here. Hi.
Huh?
There's no room, but start.
This one anak ra gamay ra gud.
Okay naman good.
Whoa, I got in the ant somewhere. They're biting me all over my feet.
She said, "You bother."
Yeah, they're too small for bedrooms.
This one is Sahira or
What?
Sahira or for the clothes. I don't know.
I don't know, because I need storeroom for our pots and pans.
Mura man kadaka sa kuan.
Well, to start, this is all breaking up. Don't tell me I got to tear it all down.
No, it's strong.
We don't have any room big enough for a bedroom. Behind. Something like this could be a... I know, you have to worry about it later. Gotta have room for stoves, refrigerator.
Hi guys, so thank you for watching my video and I hope you like it. And this is May De Los Santos Cocoquera. So enjoy your life guys with your family, and I will say bye bye. See you